The PCBA test is a key step to ensure the quality of production and delivery, and determines the final performance of the product. Its purpose is to catch out the poorly assembled circuit board through the full functional test of the simulated circuit board actually installed into the whole machine. It catches out all the circuit assembly boards that may have defect before assembling into the whole machine, so as not to find the defect before assembling into the whole machine. We have to tear it all down and rebuild it. Waste of time and lost materials. 1. Make FCT test fixture according to test points, procedures and steps designed by customers. 2. The test points on the PCBA board are connected through the FCT test rack, thus forming a complete path. Connect PCBA board to computer and burner. Upload and run MUC program 4. Observe the voltage and current values between the test points on the FCT test rack and verify whether it is consistent with the design, so as to complete the test of PCBA board. The common form of PCBA test 1. ICD test. It is to test the voltage and current value of the test point after PCBA board is energized. It does not involve functional keys or input-output test. It mainly includes circuit on-off, voltage and current values, wave curve, amplitude, noise, etc. 2. FCT test. If program firing is required, the function of the whole PCBA board is simulated test. The problems in the hardware and software are found, and the necessary patch processing and production fixture and test rack are equipped.